Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 20th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 0.58%, settling the day at 40,896.53, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,876.77, raising 1.39%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,904.17 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,569.57. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,656, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII sold 2,667.46 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 1,802.92 crore in the last trading session. Adani Group touts cash pile to ease Hindenburg-fueled concerns. SEBI mulls measures to curb the intermingling of IPO bids. IndusInd Bank gets RBI nod to launch AMC arm. Now talking about global aspects, oil prices edged lower on Tuesday as Israel accepted a proposal to tackle disagreements blocking a ceasefire deal in Gaza, helping ease worries about a supply disruption in the Middle East. China leaves key lending benchmarks unchanged, as expected. WTI fell 0.2% to $74.23 a barrel and the Brent fell 0.15% to $77.54 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.65. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.08%, down. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Domestic benchmark indices saw a phase of profit booking following a gap-up opening, driven by the reduction in the windfall tax on crude oil, which provided a boost to energy stocks. Meanwhile, broader Asian markets also experienced gains, supported by positive US economic data that bolstered investor sentiment. Outlook for the day. Nifty 50 index traded within a very narrow range, maintaining levels below the opening price of 24,636. A bullish momentum is anticipated to emerge only if the index breaks above 24,650, which could drive it towards the 24,800 mark. On the downside, strong support is expected at 24,500. Overall, the trend remains bullish, with a buy-on-dip strategy being recommended. Nifty Bank Index is facing hurdles at the upper bound of its range. A breakout above 50,600 could propel the index higher towards the 51,100 level. Strong support is observed at 50,200. If this level is breached, a decline towards 49,800 is possible. The overall market sentiment remains bullish, favoring a buy-on-dip strategy. Stocks on radar: bullish view, Wipro, Maphesis, BPCL, IOC, Glenmark. Bearish view, Pi Industries, Indian Hotels, Siemens, Deepak Nitrite, SBI Life. Our chart of the day is bullish on Voltas. Trade of the day: Voltas, buy at 1,605 to 1,610. Stop 1,560. Targets 1,720. Aggressive targets at 1,665. Rationale: support reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.